want to see if you can tell the difference.
Okay.
All right, let's start here.
Okay, let's start here.
Okay. Yes. Look at. All right, what you smell? Talk to us now. These are all grown men drinks now. I can't hang with them. Now it's the good stuff.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good.
I had this before and I'm trying to think of which one it is. I had to drink it again.
All right. Yeah, you know we got 3 more. What you thinking? What do you taste on your palate? What do you?
I taste Macallan, but let me see.
Because that's what was on your mind. And I did not have Macallan, so this was my best way to make up for that.
I've had that
I have
before,
Macallan at the house, but I don't have it here.
You know what? That is Jimmy Walker Black Label.
Damn sure is. It's Johnny Walker.
Yeah,
Johnny Wright.
Yeah.
I always wondered if men really knew they liquor. So this is for the women because see how the grown men do? They be saying like I only drink this. I drink Macallan like this, I like that. And I always wondered if they really knew. Ooh, I
only
loving
drink one
this.
thing. I only drink Don Julio 1942 tequila or Casamigos, but I try to go on the other side or I drink Macallan, but I've tried other stuff.
I see. What was that smelling like? Yeah, what were you getting when you were smelling that?
I don't know. This is
you ain't never had that.
For me. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, this is nice and smooth though.
Oh, interesting. These grown men drinks. Put a little hair on your chest.
Well, it's because I'm trying to inhale it in.
Oh, okay. I want you to. Do I need water so you clean your palate?
Oh, no,
okay.
I'm
Okay.
good.
Excuse. Okay.
I am lost on this one.
That's old school.
That ain't Crown Royal.
Absolutely, it is.
It is?
It is. Hey, you win $100.
I ain't gonna tell you when I started drinking.
Look at you. This has like been amazing.
Yeah, because it has an apple or something similar flavor to it.
But
yeah. So.
man, this is really good. I'm gonna have to tag
I'm
these
trying
liquor
to-
companies on here because you're jamming.
So it has an apple or something.
It
flavor
is.
to
It is.
Okay, so
It is
which
definitely
companies
apple.
have those?
See, you can't use your smarts.
Why not?
You're not supposed to think it. You're supposed to taste it.
Yeah,
And you
but if I haven't
probably
tasted
never-
everything, yeah, I've never had this right here before in my life, but this is good. Nice and smooth.
All right, we'll put it right there.
Okay.
You got them. Now,
Is that the apple version of that?
nope.
Okay.
All right, now this.
Ooh, this look like that Añejo or something.
Yeah.
Is that the darkest one?
Yeah, it's the darkest one.
That's the most aged one. That's the most
Yeah, it
expensive
looks
one.
like it.
That's the big daddy.
Ooh, this is really good.
You can take. Oh, look at you. You said it's really good. That means that it's worth what it's paid for.
Yeah, whatever
'cause
you
it ain't
pay for this
regular.
right here is good. Give me a hint. XO. I should have known.
That was a good one. Look,
Yeah.
let's get it with the accent. You said this was good.
This is really good. And thank you to Mr. Hennessy from France. We met a couple years ago. Probably don't remember me, but I sure will remember you.
I know that's right.
So no, you make a great drink, man. All right, well, thank you so
Help
much. Y'all, I'm good.
Oh,
Yeah, it was awesome.